Take a slow breath in and out. Feel your body getting heavier. In and out. You should be sinking into your bed now. In and out. Welcome to Sleepy Physics Lab. Tonight, we are not here to solve anything or remember every detail. We are just here to drift gently into sleep with a quiet story about the universe. You can close your eyes, get comfortable, and let these words wash over you. If your mind wanders, that's okay. The story will still be here, moving slowly like a calm ocean. Imagine the room around you becoming quieter, softer, almost like the world is dimming its lights. Now imagine that beyond these walls, beyond the city, and beyond the planet, there is a vast, silent space. It might seem empty, but in our story, it isn't empty at all. It is filled with something gentle and invisible, something we call a field. Instead of thinking of the universe as made of tiny, separate marbles called particles, imagine it as filled with invisible, smooth blankets that stretch everywhere. These blankets are fields. There is an electron field, a light field, and many others, all layered over each other, filling all of space. You don't see them, you don't feel them, but they are quietly there, even in this room, even around your bed. Now picture a perfectly still lake at night. The water is flat, calm, and dark. Then a small ripple appears, expanding slowly across the surface. In the language of physics, that ripple is like a particle. A particle is not a tiny solid ball. It is a little wave, a small disturbance, moving through a field. An electron is a ripple in the electron field. A photon, a particle of light, is a ripple in the light field. The universe is an ocean of fields, and particles are just the gentle waves. As you listen, you can imagine these fields as soft, glowing sheets, overlapping and stretching forever. They are quiet, patient, and always present. Every atom in your body is connected to these same fields. The ripples that make up your body, your pillow, the distant stars, all rise and fall in the same vast ocean. Empty space is not truly empty. It is more like a silent stage where fields wait calmly in the dark. Sometimes they ripple, sometimes they rest. Right now, as you breathe in slowly and breathe out gently, you can imagine those fields settling into a peaceful stillness with you. Even when everything seems still, the fields are never completely frozen. They shimmer softly, with tiny restless motion too small to see. Physicists call this the quantum vacuum, but you can imagine it as the soft breathing of the universe. A quiet, steady background hum that has always been there and will always be there. You don't have to understand the equations. You just have to know that underneath everything, there is a gentle structure holding the cosmos together. As you lie here, you're resting on a planet, floating in space, surrounded by these invisible fields, the same fields that make the stars shine, that let atoms exist. If you're still awake, you can let the images become softer. You don't have to remember what a quantum field is. You don't have to hold on to any of this. You can simply rest in the feeling that the universe is layered, gentle, and deeply connected. As the story fades, you can let your thoughts drift away from physics and back into your own quiet darkness. The fields will keep on humming softly in the background of reality, whether you think about them or not. For now, your only job is to rest. Thank you for visiting Sleepy Physics Lab.